Hello and welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to add bookable resources, and how both you and your customers can easily find and book them. Bookable resources in OfficeRnD are spaces like meeting rooms or phone booths that members reserve via the portal or app, while you manage bookings in the admin platform. Let's look at the process of creating meeting rooms. Before adding meeting rooms or other bookable resources, complete these essential setup steps to ensure seamless bookings. Once these steps are done, navigate to Space, locate the meeting room section, and create your new meeting room. Enter a unique name, along with capacity and size. You can list any free of charge amenities you've pre-configured under amenities like a whiteboard, HDMI connection, etc. Set the start date for when the meeting room becomes available. If you'll be importing past or upcoming bookings, set the date to the earliest one for that room. If the resource will be renovated or retired, set an end date to prevent bookings beyond that date. Next, set up the calendar settings by selecting the rate that includes the cancellation and booking policies for the room. Without a rate, all bookings for this room will be free. Add a customer-facing description to showcase the room. And upload an image that represents the meeting room. Finally, set the room's privacy, choose to make it available to all portal users, only active members, or restrict access further. If you choose Limited and leave the fields below blank, the room will be managed only through the admin calendar. Besides adding resources manually, you can import them in bulk by clicking the Import button at the top right. Use the linked help article to guide you through the process. Existing customers can view available meeting rooms in the member portal, based on their status and each room's privacy settings. Clicking the image reveals additional details. The pricing information is also available. The last section shows the cancellation policy from the room's rate. Slots after 5 p.m. are shaded differently to indicate they're outside the location's business hours. We've enabled active members to book outside business hours, so this member can proceed without restrictions. The customer can add a booking title and see the fee. Here the member uses company credits, so no fee applies. The More Options button lets them further customize the booking, like setting a recurrence, adding guests, or including a description. The process of booking a room on behalf of a client is very similar. Open the calendar menu in the admin portal and filter by the bookable resource type you need. The calendar loads all resources of that type. Select the desired time slot and specify the customer to proceed with the booking. If this is a company, select the member who contacted you. The admin view offers more options, like setting preparation time to block before a booking and marking it as free or tentative if the client is unsure about the slot. Let's select our test member. You'll see the same summary as on the member portal, 1 credit. That was our short guide to setting up bookable resources in OfficeRnD. For more detailed guides, visit our Help Center. Thanks for watching.